It has not added the icon, but it has given the option of hiding and opening this up, but it has missed the enable or disable icons from here. Hello guys, today's video is going to be a fun one. We have all seen n number of ChatGPT clones available in the market, and we have covered a few of them in our own series. A couple of days back, when I was taking a walk, I was wondering, what does it take to create a ChatGPT clone? Well, that's exactly what we are going to do today. Welcome to day 227 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. And we are doing it with the help of Adaptive AI, an AI-powered platform that lets you build web applications instantly. Just type in what you want and Adaptive AI will build it for you with the power of AI. Frontend, backend, chat interface and hosting all included within that platform. You don't have to write a single line of code. Let's dive in and see how it actually functions. So to begin, head over to adaptive.ai, and as you can see, it's a very simple landing page. And if you want to create anything, you just have to prompt. Like it shows, create a personal website, or create a quote estimator, or create an image editor, and so on and so forth, right? So today we're going to create a DESI version of ChatGPT that understands Indian culture, common questions, and regional language. And once you add the prompt, just hit enter. Yeah, so it'll ask us to log in or sign up. I'll enter the email ID. So it has sent a password. Sorry, it sent OTP, not the password. So for those of you who are trying it out, please check it in the junk folder if you don't have it in your main inbox. So we have given the prompt. Now it is reviewing our request, and let's see what it does. I've just given a very simple prompt, right? I've not given it in detail. It's just a very simple prompt, and let's see what it understands and what it builds for us. As you can see, it has understood the requirements. It has started the app development now. It's now building the application components for us. Of course, this will take a few minutes because it is building an entire application, right? Which includes the front end, the back end, the database, and the AI logic that is required to run it, and all of that. So let's see what it builds after waiting for a few minutes. And as you can see, launching app to ACGPT. So it has given some name with DESI GPT and then PA2870WI.adaptive.ai and viewing latest version. Okay. And there you go. This is ready. So I will hide this. And you can see that our DESI GPT is ready, right? Namaste, welcome to DESI GPT, your culturally aware AI assistant that understands Indian traditions, languages, and customs. Ask me anything. Tell me about Diwali tradition or recipe for better chicken. Plan a wedding celebration, suggest festival decoration. Let's see if this works. So I'm clicking on this one. So it looks like it's still building something. Right, so it's doing something over here. Let's see what happens. Fixing code. So maybe when we actually built it, it didn't have the chat functionality, or maybe there were some errors behind the scenes. And when we started chatting, it understood that there are some issues and probably it's fixing it. Let's wait and watch. If I actually click on this, we can see what's happening. Identifying next steps. Looks like it has understood what needs to be done. It says it's applying the edits. Okay, it also added a language selection dropdown to customize AI response. We had not asked for it, but let's see. Addressing warnings, thinking. Okay, I hope after all this wait, it actually starts working. And finally, after about 7 minutes to be precise, it has got us something. Let's try it out. So here we have some cultural context, festivals and traditions, enable or disable, family relations, regional customs, food culture, honorifics, and respect. Okay, so let me click on this again. Let's see what happens this time. Okay, it just created the chat for us. It was not running, but let me ask the same thing. Tell me about Diwali tradition. In fact, it is Deepavali. Diwali has some other meaning as well. Okay, so we've asked the question here, and there you go. So we've got a detailed answer, and we can continue asking further. If you want to ask something else like a new chat, you can do that, and there you go. So we actually built a DESI version of our ChatGPT in less than 10 minutes. Crazy, isn't it? Now, we could also share this. Where's the option of sharing? Let's click on settings. We can give a name to it. We can change the icon if you want. We can add any description. Theme preview if you want, like dark mode or light mode. We could change that. I do not want to change it now. I like dark mode. Let me make it as dark itself. Updated app. Okay, yeah. So explore, list this app on the public app directory. If you want others to be able to explore this app, then you can list it. Remixing, allow others with access to remix this app, which means if you give access to this particular app to others, then they can do some fine tuning and change the app altogether, right? I would disable that for now. Show an adaptive AI watermark. Unless and until we are in the paid plan, this will be enabled. Custom domain, if we go with the paid plan, then we can also put it in custom domain. So in the free plan, I believe we get up to 100 ACUs. Okay, this could be something like credits, and we have used just one out of it. And deleting app can be done from here. Not just that, I'll click on save. Now I could also give this particular link. Okay, this is right now in private. If I can publish this version, right now I can actually share this app with others. So share app option is here. So just click on that, enable share link. Anyone with this link will be able to access your app. Okay, that is disabled for now. Allow remixing, I'll remove that, and they could invite anybody, right? So if you want to make any other changes, you can open the editor and you can ask it to do any further changes. From here we have upload file, where we can upload the file and ask it to do something about it. Visual edits, if you want, we can do it from here. Connect an application, so we can do it from here. And then if you want to look at the mobile preview, then you can do it from here. I mean, in fact, this is the preview for all of it, right? So mobile, it looks like this, tablet, it looks like this, and desktop, it looks like this. Again, you can change the theme. Maybe it's not working because I've made my browser as a dark theme by default. If you want to close the preview mode, you can exit from here. Now, currently viewing is this version. If you want to load more, you can check it from here, like any previous versions and so on and so forth. Published version, this also is the published version. That means we can then share it with anyone. If you want to share this app so that others could make any changes, you can invite them from here. So for now, let me close this, take this particular link, and let me go to incognito mode just to check if this opens up. Okay, this doesn't open up. I don't know why. So I'll just do one small change so that we can see how the changes happen. Hide the cultural context as let's speaking a lot of car and hide open icon. Let's see what it does. So we may have to wait for a few more minutes because that started running. So let's see. As we can see, it has understood what I'm asking for. Adding toggle for sidebar, it says. I hope it is not going to hide this entire thing, but just this thing. Let's see. While I was doing the edit the last time, or rather when I clicked on while I was doing the edit last time, or rather when I started a new chat, it started running some code behind because maybe it understood there are some issues, and it actually took a very long time. Like the cultural context and all, I never asked it to set, right? It thought that is required and it added it, and that's why it took a longer time. I hope it doesn't take that long this time. Let's see. So now this is ready. Let me click on publish version. This is how we can publish the version, by the way. And let me close this. Now this is a public version, right? Which means I can also share this with anybody else. So I can go to incognito mode and open this up. And there you go. Our very own DESI GPT is available, right? All the user have to do is give their email ID or phone number and log in and use this application. Okay, great. So it has not added the icon, but it has given the option of hiding and opening this up, but it has missed the enable or disable icons from here. Strange, but that's how these AI tools work, right? You ask it to do something and it does something additional which might not be required, and then we have to ask it to undo those changes and do only this change and so on and so forth. But I believe this is a very powerful tool, right? We gave a couple of prompts and it actually built a clone of ChatGPT based on our requirements. We have seen a bunch of applications in this series which takes you a simple prompt and converts them into web app. And adaptive AI is a very strong contender in that list. It's quick, flexible, and makes it super easy to get your ideas to life. Whether you want to build a replica of an existing app or build anything of your own from scratch, you can use adaptive AI and see how it actually brings your idea to life. If you come across any application that makes building applications super simple, drop it in the comments below and we will make a video for our audience. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.